What's up guys, Tony with HID Express here, coming at you with a new video with some outstanding lighting products. Now this particular product isn't something new, it's been on our website for a while. However, we found a new way to utilize it. So what we're referring to are these rock lights. Now what makes these so special? You see them on lifted Jeeps and trucks. There are a few cars that we've installed them on as well. However, in this particular case, we installed them on a 2018 Suzuki GSX-R1000R. Now I know a lot of you motorcyclists love that RGB look. However, historically, you've been stuck with utilizing cheap LED strips that either fall off or fail over time. With these rock lights, they will not only outperform those LED strips, they will look better doing it, they'll be a lot brighter, and they'll definitely last a lot longer. And the cool thing about it is when you pair them with the Bluetooth controller, you can control them directly off your phone. Now how cool is that? Please note that this is not an install video. However, if you would love to see an install video for this particular product, just go ahead and drop a comment below and we'll be more than happy to get one out for you. In the meantime, feel free to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and enjoy the video. Peace!